Every act of worship in Islam begins with purity. That is why Muslims perform wudu, or ablution, before the 5 daily prayers. Wudu is not only about washing parts of the body, but also a symbol of cleansing the heart and mind. As water touches the hands, face, and feet, a believer prepares with calmness and sincerity to stand before the Creator. After performing wudu, a Muslim does not only wash the body, but also clears the heart from worries and distractions. The soft light entering the mosque reflects the inner peace that follows purification. Wudu teaches that every act of worship begins with sincerity and a pure heart. As the Quran is opened, the believer finds guidance, strength, and peace, making every prayer more humble, more focused, and filled with deeper meaning. The 4 obligatory acts of wudu must be performed correctly. First, washing the entire face. Second, washing both hands up to the elbows. Third, wiping a part of the head with water. And finally, washing both feet up to the ankles. By completing these essential steps, the wudu becomes valid, preparing us to continue our worship with peace of mind. In addition to the obligatory acts, there are sunnah practices that enhance the beauty of wudu. It begins with saying Bismillah, followed by rinsing the mouth and inhaling water into the nose. Each limb of wudu is also recommended to be washed 3 times. These sunnah acts bring extra rewards and make the wudu more complete in the sight of Allah. After performing wudu, there are certain actions that nullify it, such as relieving oneself in the toilet, falling into a deep sleep that removes awareness in the flow of blood or bodily fluids. These acts invalidate the state of purity. Therefore, a Muslim must renew wudu before praying or performing any act of worship that requires cleanliness. By preserving wudu, we also preserve both our physical purity and spiritual mindfulness. Wudu is not only a requirement for prayer, but it also carries great virtues. The Prophet Muhammad said that whenever a Muslim performs wudu, their minor sins are washed away with every drop of water. On the Day of Judgment, wudu will be a source of light, shining from the faces, hands, and feet of the believers. By maintaining wudu, we preserve cleanliness, health, and our closeness to Allah. The flowing water of wudu not only washes away dirt, but also symbolizes the purity of the soul. With every drop, a Muslim prepares to stand before Allah, calmer in heart and clearer in mind. When wudu is preserved, prayer becomes more meaningful, and from prayer comes peace, bringing blessings into our daily lives. This is the simple yet profound secret passed down by the Messenger of Allah to his ummah. Let us make wudu not just a routine, but a path to draw closer to Allah. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to support Muslim Way by subscribing, liking, and sharing so that more brothers and sisters can gain knowledge and Islamic inspiration.